Hello everyone, welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. It is so great to be here with you today.
It is great to see you, Rachel, but I have to admit, I am a little tired today.
Really? Did you go to sleep late last night?
Yes, I did. I was in bed early, but I was looking at funny videos on my phone.
Oh, I know that feeling. You say just 5 minutes and then 2 hours pass.
Exactly. I looked at the clock and it was midnight. I completely wasted my time.
That is a very interesting phrase, waste time. What does that mean?
To waste time means to use your time in a bad way. It means you do not do anything useful.
Right, like watching cat videos for 2 hours when you need to sleep.
Yes, exactly like that. We all do it sometimes.
It is true, but time is very important. We cannot buy more time.
That is a great point, Rachel. Time is our most valuable thing.
So, how is wasting time different from spending time?
Good question. We spend time when we do something good or necessary.
For example, I spend time with my family, or I spend time reading a book.
Yes, those are good things. You spend time learning English. You do not waste time learning English.
Absolutely not. Learning English is a beautiful way to spend your time.
But many students tell me something different. They say, "Charles, I have no time to study."
I hear that too. People feel very busy. They work, they study, they have kids.
Yes, life is very busy, but often we have more time than we think.
That is so true. We just have to look at how we spend our minutes.
Let's think about a normal day. Where do people lose time?
Well, the phone is the biggest one. We check social media a lot.
Oh, yeah. We wait for the bus and we open our phones.
We sit on the sofa and we open our phones.
What if we changed that habit just a little bit?
How do you mean, Charles? Like no phones at all?
No, phones are useful, but maybe we can change what we look at.
Ah, I see. Instead of looking at photos, we can listen to a short English podcast.
Exactly. If you wait for the bus for 10 minutes, that is 10 minutes of English practice.
10 minutes a day is amazing. Little by little, step by step.
Yes, you do not need 2 empty hours to learn English.
That is a very common mistake. People wait for the perfect time.
They say, "I will study on Sunday when the house is quiet."
But Sunday comes and the house is never quiet.
Never. So they do not study at all. That is wasting time.
Waiting for the perfect moment is definitely a waste of time. The perfect moment is right now.
I totally agree. You can practice while you do other things too.
Oh, like multitasking? What is a good example of that?
Well, you have to clean your house, right? You have to wash the dishes.
Sadly, yes. The dishes never stop.
While you wash the dishes, you can listen to an English song.
Or you can speak to yourself in English. I do that sometimes.
Really? What do you say to yourself?
I describe what I am doing. I say, I am washing the blue cup. The water is warm.
That is fantastic. It sounds very simple, but it trains your brain.
It really does. You are spending your time well, not wasting it.
Let's talk about driving. Many people spend an hour in their car every day.
Traffic can be so boring. You just sit there and wait.
But if you turn on English audio, your car becomes a classroom.
That is a beautiful idea. Your car is your private English school.
And nobody can hear you. You can repeat the words loudly.
You can make funny sounds and practice your pronunciation.
Exactly. You take dead time and turn it into learning time.
Dead time? That is a good phrase. What does it mean?
Dead time is time when you are waiting or doing nothing special, like waiting in a line.
Or sitting in a doctor's waiting room. That is always dead time.
Yes, you can scroll on your phone and waste time, or you can learn 5 new words.
5 words a day is 35 words a week. That is a lot of words.
It adds up so fast. Step by step, you build a big vocabulary.
Charles, do you think people waste time in other ways, not just on their phones?
Yes, I do. I think worrying is a big waste of time.
Wow, that is deep. Worrying about what?
Worrying about making mistakes. Many students waste hours feeling bad about their English.
Oh, I know. They think, my accent is bad. I forgot the past tense.
And they think about that mistake all day. It stops them from speaking.
You are right. Feeling bad does not help you improve. It just freezes you.
Yes, we all make mistakes. I make mistakes in my second language all the time.
Me too. Sometimes I say the completely wrong word.
But you just laugh, learn from it, and move on. Don't waste time feeling sad.
Right. Every mistake is just a step on the road to fluency.
Speaking of spending time well, our listeners are doing a great job right now.
Absolutely. You are listening to English and you are learning.
If you are enjoying this conversation, you are not wasting your time at all. So please, take 1 second to click the like button.
Yes, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps us make more videos for you.
And share this episode with a friend who is also learning English. You can learn together.
We also want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to practice English?
Do you listen in the car? Do you read before bed? Let us know in the comments.
We love reading your comments. It always makes our day.
It really does. Okay, Rachel, let's talk about another way people waste time.
Okay, what is it?
Trying to memorize long lists of words.
Really? But students need to learn new words, right?
Yes, but reading a dictionary is boring. Your brain will forget the words quickly.
Oh, for sure. If I just look at a list of 50 words, I forget them in 10 minutes.
That is wasting your study time. You need to use the words in real life.
So, how should they spend their study time instead?
Learn phrases, not just single words, and connect them to your life.
Can you give an example of connecting a word to your life?
Sure, let's take the word coffee. Don't just memorize the word.
Make a sentence like, I love drinking hot coffee in the morning.
Exactly. Now your brain has a picture. It remembers the feeling of the morning.
That saves so much time. You remember it faster and you can actually speak.
Right. Learning should feel natural. It should not feel like a punishment.
Have you ever tried to learn something and just wanted to quit?
Oh, many times. Usually because I was trying to do too much at once.
Yes! We say, we will study for 3 hours, and then we get tired and stop completely.
Consistency is better than intensity. Short, daily practice is the secret.
10 minutes every single day is better than 3 hours on Sunday.
It is so true. Your brain needs to see the language every day to believe it is important.
What if someone is just starting, level A1? They feel overwhelmed.
I would tell them, do not rush. Take a deep breath. You are doing fine.
That is great advice. Just listen to our podcast, relax, and enjoy the sounds.
Don't translate every single word. Just try to understand the main idea.
Translating every word wastes a lot of time, doesn't it?
It does. It slows you down, and languages do not translate perfectly anyway.
Right. English has its own rules. You just have to get used to them.
Exactly. Like when we say, "It's raining cats and dogs."
If you translate that directly, it sounds very scary.
Flying animals falling from the sky.
So spending time listening to natural English is the best way.
Yes, and remember everyone. Everyone's journey is different.
What do you mean by that, Charles?
Sometimes we look at other people. We think, his English is better than mine.
Oh, yes, comparing yourself to others. That is a huge waste of time.
Absolutely. Your friend might have more free time, or they started 3 years ago.
You only need to compare yourself to you. Are you better than you were yesterday?
That is the perfect mindset, Rachel. Just focus on your own path.
Step by step, you are getting there. You just have to believe in yourself.
I think it is time for a quick summary of what we talked about today.
Great idea. Let's recap our best tips for not wasting time.
First, remember the difference. Spend your time on good things. Don't waste it.
Second, turn dead time into learning time. Listen in the car or while washing dishes.
Third, do not wait for the perfect moment. 5 minutes right now is perfect.
And finally, stop worrying. Worrying about mistakes is the biggest waste of time.
Excellent summary, Rachel. I think that is very clear and helpful.
Thank you. And now it is time to practice what we learned today.
Yes, let's jump into our practice conversation. This is great for your listening skills.
How does this work? Should they just listen?
Just listen the first time. Then you can rewind and read along if you want.
Awesome. Let's pretend we are two friends talking at work.
Sounds good. I will be very busy and you will give me some advice.
I am ready. Let's go.
Hi, Rachel. I am so tired today. I really want to learn English, but I have no time.
Really? How do you come to work every day?
I take the train. It takes about 40 minutes. I usually just play games on my phone.
Well, don't waste your time. You can use that train ride to study.
You think so? But it is very noisy on the train.
Just put on your headphones. You can spend that time listening to an English podcast.
That is a good idea. I can listen to Charles and Rachel.
Exactly. See? You do not need extra time. You just need to use your time better.
I am right. I will start tomorrow morning on the train.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Start today on your way home.
Okay, that was a great practice conversation.
It was. I hope our listeners heard some of our new phrases in there.
I'm sure they did. They are very smart learners.
They are the best. Thank you all so much for spending your time with us today.
Yes, thank you for choosing to learn with English on the way.
Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave us a comment.
We will be back soon with another fun conversation to help you improve.
Have a wonderful day, everyone. Keep practicing and don't give up.
Keep learning, and remember, you can do it. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye, friends. See you next time.